Mount Disney, California. Come on this adventure with me. Check this out. That's really cool. Those are real pumpkins too. It's great to see. There's another one. It's great. Check it out, my dude, Donald Duck. Look at this dude. That's the beautiful work done. Halloween tie. Thanks, Pluto. One half of the entryway into Disneyland. You can see Mickey Mouse in the background there. It's not really dressed up for fall yet, but they're getting there. They're working on the railroad. See the skims back there. Let me go and get the other side. Here's the other ticket gate. You can go ahead and see those. It's pretty creative. And right across the way here, let's check this out. Here at Oogie Boogie. Fortunately, I'm not going to be here at nighttime. We've got to head home. But the sun is setting. And I thought I could see the tower, but there's a tree in the way. Gardens of the Galaxy Tower. I think I can get it. In the very background there, you can see it. It used to be Tower of Terror, now it's the Guardians of the Galaxy. Disney. Here's their window display. Stitch. And Mickey in this nice Halloween costume. Okay, going into World of Disney. Here we go. It's been, well, I take that back. I was here last year in February, coming back from a family trip. Just drove by, made a quick stop. So I've been back since, and I love cars. Pixar cars. My favorite land in California Adventure Side, DCA, is Cars Land by far. It's so well done. Starbucks. How much are these? These are cool looking. $50. Ooh, I'm sorry, not that cool. Look at these. These are awesome. Mini. Have Indiana Jones on the bottom. $35. This Indiana Jones one. Yo, check out these mugs. $16, $17. Chewing on. Regular Star Wars mugs. Thor. Which are these? $20. Wow. Look at these pins. Back in the day, I used to be a pin collector, and I have no clue where they are now. Those are cool. Check out these hats. I like them, but I would never wear white hats because you sweat in them once and they're ruined. I really like that one. It's kind of like my black one that I have with that same look. Monster Inc. Baby Yoda. These hats come with shades. Look at this one. I love this hat. That's cool. Pirates of the Caribbean. So it falls out of my hand. $26. It's not bad. Not bad. This one's cute too, but it's for a kid. Oh, the classic. What's are these? $29 to $30. I'd wear that if it was in my size. Different Marvel and Star Wars hats. Minnie Mouse hat, that's cute. Darth Maul. We got that one right there. It's cute. That's some cool ears right there. I'm gonna try these. Oh, $35. Okay, $35. Oh, my oldest would love that one. Ariel, Beauty and the Beast. Those are really cool. Awesome Wonderland. Oh, it's a Small World. $89 for these lounge flies. That's cool. Here's Buzz. And then they had Up. More Up down here, a different variety. Yo, check out this shirt. Dude, I love this shirt. $65. Same image on the back. Wow, that is cool. Oh, where's that shirt at? Here we go. It's pretty heavy for a... How much is this? Hold on. 65 jersey style. It's kind of thick. It's heavy for thin material. Yo, check this out. $89 of the classic. Oh, these open up. Look at that, it's a little daisy right there. $89. It's the smooth, shiny glitter right here. Another jersey. That is cool. Here's another lounge fly. I personally like this one better, but I personally would never use it. I got my backpack, that's all I need. Here's the front of the Spirit jersey there. So this one. That's really cool. I like that one. Check out this shirt. I like it. $65. Then they have a sweatshirt version of it. $35 for this one. T-shirt. Here's the ears. Which are they? Assume like 35. Yeah, 35. 35. There it is. Well, looky here. This here is $65. Have anything on the back? No, but on the arms. Countdown calendar. $60. Cool to put on a train. Town. Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh Bear. That's a cool shirt. Never can go wrong with the classics. Classic Disneyland, the old Disneyland sign. Yo, and check this out. Pirates of the Caribbean. Lounge fly. Wow, that's cool. Check this out, $45. Scarlet Witch Mickey ears. I didn't think the 2 and 2 would go together, but actually I like the look of it. It's pretty cool. Wow, the Scarlet Witch lounge fly. I love the colors. $89. That is pretty cool looking. I think that's a lot better than that, to be honest. If this shirt was not white, I'd be all over it. That's an amazing shirt, even for $60. Some more ears. Marvel Edition. The new Star Wars trading post here at downtown Disney. We're in the Disney Temple. Used to be the Rainforest Cafe. Turned it into a depot. Missed the Rainforest Cafe. Well, let's look at these lightsabers. Wow. I finally got the yellow. I had the blue for my lightsaber, but I've been looking for an orange one. They haven't come out with it yet. There's no orange in my color. Wow, that's a cool painting. I like that one. That's cool. Wow, that's awesome. I only had $1 billion. OG and the prequels. It's my Star Wars. Ahsoka. Okay, that's going to do it from downtown Disney, California. If you guys can do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, greatly appreciate it, and share the link. Anybody you think like this kind of content, greatly appreciate it. Lots of love. See you on the next one. Peace.